much. This is a surprise video for all wing holder because this is sorry for lag video, but this video is going very important from all wing holders. So don't skip this video because it's very, very important. So don't skip. Okay, so wing holder, there you can see here the market, everything is going out. This is one big reason I said this video, everything. And also I want good news for all wing holder. Before I get started the price production of wing coin, I request you my brother to please subscribe. First of all, click on the red button, the subscribe button. As you please click on the subscribe button down below, and also like, please click on the like thumbs up. And please, if you need this type more for videos, then click on the bell icon for videos notification. Okay, so let's start without any time let's start this brand video, guys. If you can see here, first of all, the market red market is 1.194 billion US dollar. You can see here, and volume of SIT 811.022 billion. So you can see here the volume cap change occur 67.91% going up. So congratulations my brother, this time the volume market cap is going up. So total, you can see here, total cap as 1.193 billion. What a brilliant shot, what a brilliant shot. I hope they're going up all time. You can see here the highest price change occurred. You can see here 0.002973 US dollar. What a shot, man. This time you can see here if people said it, and this time then I hope that these people are millionaire. Yes, everyone is millionaire my brother, but wait for a good time. You can see here the wing latest price as 0.001557 US dollar. So let's see the bad changes. This time I have what bad news for all of you. Bad news as that. So you can see here the last 1 hour result has gone negative. Absolutely, the last 1 hour result as a negative, and USD and BTC and Ethereum also. So you see here they're totally a negative at last 1 hour, and the last 24-hour result is also a negative. This is one big reason. I said you the reason as that to this is the start of month. Yes, and every start of month you can hear previous 7 result is also gone negative. Yes, also gone negative. So the reason as that to this is the start of month, and every cryptocurrencies goes down. So absolutely they are absolutely go down, especially the Bitcoin and Stomix. These two cryptocurrencies badly, very badly goes down. So if you see here the last 30 days the result as a positive and very good. 504% they're going up. What a shot, man. This is very highest changes. You can see here other and I hope in upcoming time they absolutely buff like a rocket. So my brother, the good news, especially a good news from all holder as that to I do a giveaway, especially I do a giveaway. The giveaway is coming soon, but just you complete my 10,000 subscribe on my this channel. So I hope do it, please complete just for this 6,000 subscribers something as needed. So please complete it, and I do a giveaway. I make special video for this, but this is just announced. So hope you complete it. Okay, guys, this time if you see here the last 24-hour chart has absolutely gone negative, gone down, absolutely gone down. But this time if you can see here, sometimes they're taking a jump very highly, very fastly. The price gone up like a rocket. But I think this time they gone and negative, absolutely very badly. They're gone down. So I hope this time you can see here the price as 0.001699 US dollar, and you can see here the volume as here 1.1336129489 billion. So you can see here US dollar they gone up. What a shot, man. This time they take a very highest jump, but I don't know on this sometimes they take a very badly dump. You can see here they totally gone up this time, totally gone up. So this is good news from all wing holder. Please some wing holder tell me to this is selling time or buy time. So my wing holder brother, I think this is good time to you hold it. Okay, please hold it and wait for good time. I hope good time is coming today. And this situation is very badly they gone down. So please don't sell it. This does not mean if they gone down, then it does not mean to you must just sell it. I think in upcoming time they gone up like a rocket. So wait for good time. I hope good time is coming. You can see here this time the price is 0.02% has increased now. What a brilliant shot. And increasing very fastly. What a shot. This time you can see here bet total as 393,145 US dollar. Congratulations my brother, they are gone very fastly up. So an upcoming time I think very good from wing holders. So please hold it, and if you have any plan to buy more, then I think this is good time to buy more. So please don't waste your time. Please buy if you have any place, because this time is very good from you to buy more. Okay, so please don't wait. Buy it and hold it and wait for the end of this month. I hope they give you a very good result and they make you a millionaire. Yes, they make you millionaire. So don't, why you are wasting your time? Please buy more and invest your, and this is not a financial video. Please, if you want to invest, then first then search personally. Okay guys, so thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Please subscribe, complete my 10,000 subscribe. Allah Hafiz, take care.